Here we will be looking at the Client tab of Vara. This is where you'll be able to view all of your clients as well as add new clients and capture the information you are wanting. You will simply click this Add Client button here and enter the information for your client. First name, last name, and phone number will all be required in order to save the client. Other information such as email address, and date of birth are all optional as well. You are also able to add any notes about the client that you may want to remember for future appointments. Now this client is added to your client directory along with the others. From this view, you can see information like their contact information, their total spent, their visits, and their last visits. But when you click this eye icon, you are able to see more information about that client. You can easily edit any of the information that you might need to change, and you can also see their order history. Once back on this main screen of the Clients tab, you can see there is an Import button. This allows you to do bulk uploads of your customer information that you may already have. You can simply download our sample CSV, transfer all of your customer information into it, and then re-upload that CSV into Vara. And that's all for our Clients tab. We will see you next time.